other actions in Selenium. So see this alert pop-ups. For sometimes what we see in our script, we see the pop-up that some JavaScript alert pop-up as a warning. It will display in your application, and you have to either accept it or dismiss it to proceed further. So how you can handle that drop that particular JavaScript alert, because that's not any element that is in your application. It's a browser pop up that you are getting. So how you can handle that? So to handle it, let me see, JavaScript confirm. So this is JavaScript alert. Okay, so press a button, cancel. Okay, this is some other pop-up that you can handle. So here we will be talking about this JavaScript confirm button. So for this, first of all, we have to locate it. Let's create some example. One class I will create a new class, alert pop-up. Include the main method. Click on finish. Here we can copy this same. We have to locate as well. I will use the click there, and it will throw exception. We'll handle it. So here the URL is different this time, so we have to use this alert and change the URL. So after changing the URL and so we can remove it, no need here. Save it, and first of all I have to click on this, right? Only after that I will be getting this JavaScript alert. So inspect it first of all. Let's see. This is there. This is one click. This is button for JavaScript confirm. So let's see for others as well what is there. We have to find the unique one so that we can click. Okay, so it is showing a unique ID is there that we can use, because for others if you see class is same, type is also same. Okay, but we can use the ID. So we can use the ID as a button for to click on that. So ID is there. Okay, so we can use ID and we have to perform some operations. So we have to use dot click method on that. Once we are clicking, it will open the JavaScript alert pop-up. Let's add some weight here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to switch on the alert. Okay, so you have to use the switch on alert. So alert which shows a custom message, okay, and which you can accept or dismiss the alert. So how you can handle, you have to use driver.switchTo.alert to switch on the particular alert pop-up and to perform the action on it. So it provides the different methods like dismiss method to click on the cancel, or accept button to click on OK button. And if there is a text box is there in the JavaScript alert, and if you want to enter some value in that, you can use the send keys method for that. And if you see some text is visible here, after clicking on it, press a button. If you want to get this value, if you want to get this warning, and if you want to verify this warning, so in that case you can use the getText method to verify this particular warning text, it is coming correct or not on my JavaScript alert pop-up. So let's do this. Just copy this. Okay, so once it will be done, alert you have to import from the Selenium, and after that you have to use object alert dot. Suppose I want to press OK, so you can use the accept button. Let's try to run it. So it has clicked on this. You can see it has clicked on OK button and the same message is displaying here. You pressed OK. So it is confirming me that I have pressed the OK. Let's try to see this time as a dismiss method, and we will see the getTexter method also. So alert is there. Sorry, alert dot get text. I can use getText method, and this will give me a value. So I will store in a string variable. Let's try to print out this variable value what it is throwing. System out dot println, and in here we can use a value attribute. Okay, and let's see the next operation. This time I want to perform the dismiss. I want to click on cancel. So alert dot dismiss is the method that you can use for the click. Okay, let's see. Run it Java application. So this time you can see it is showing me and confirming that you have pressed a cancel. And if we see the what value was there on my alert, and I can verify that. So press a button was coming there. So the same I have got, and I can put some kind of a validations on my pop alert message that it is showing correct or not. This is how you can handle the alert in your test cases. And if there is a text field is coming in your alert pop-up, you can use the send case method and you can enter some value and then you can proceed for confirmation on that. Okay, so this is how you can handle the pop-up in a Selenium script.